Welcome to the future of cutting. The KUTAVAR CNC plasma profiling machine, designed to push the boundaries with components that are designed and built to tolerances unrivaled in its class. With KUTAVAR, you get a highly engineered, high precision, robust and versatile piece of capital equipment. Our machines are designed with microns in mind rather than millimeters. The manufactured parts are precision engineered right here in the UK, so we can guarantee component accuracy and quality. We've thought of every detail, designing each individual component to seamlessly fit together to produce the machine you desire. Available with either a water bed or zoned extraction, KUTAVAR allows the end user to have a truly versatile in-house cutting system. It's available in 4 different sizes, and extra modules can even be added to accommodate your needs as your business grows. With movement around 3 separate axes simultaneously, profile shapes can be cut from conductive materials like mild steel, stainless steel, or aluminium. There are optional features including an engraving device and oxy-fuel cutting torches, which enable a cut thickness of up to 100mm in mild steel. Finally, you can have high-performance cutting in-house with KUTAVAR. Contact us now to book a demo and discover the cost and lead time benefits for your business.